Hello and good evening, Cinema Satsang viewers. How are you doing? Hi, Oroshika. How are you? So happy,
I'm fine. Thank you.
so happy to have you on our program. And many congratulations. कुछ दिन हो गए, but better late than never. बहुत बहुत congratulations. You represented India at
Thank you.
Cannes. Your
Thank
film
you so much.
represented India at Cannes. Shameless, right? It's called.
Yeah, the shameless.
And Anasuya also won an award for that. That was also the first time in history. और इंडिया ने
Yeah.
बहुत अच्छा किया इस बार कांस में, टचवुड, और आगे भी करेंगे. तो Oroshika was part of that film Shameless, of that cast, and she represented India at Cannes. Many congratulations.
Thank you so much, Kabir. Thank you so much. Wow, that was well spoken.
ये
But
सच है.
thank you so
मैंने इसके लिए कुछ प्रिपेयर, ये सच है ये. हाँ,
much.
ये सच है. एक्चुअली क्या है, मैं 10 सेकेंड और लूंगा, देन आई से मतलब गिव इट ओवर टू यू. मैं हमेशा सुनता हूँ लोग बोलते हैं कि मतलब मेरी फिल्म कान में गई है, और है ना. लेकिन क्या होता है कि ज्यादातर क्या मैं दिखता हूँ, मतलब डांस में तो इतना मुश्किल है ना जाना. कंपटीशन सेक्शन में सिर्फ 20 फिल्म होती है और वो वर्ल्ड मास्टर्स की होती है. तो जब लोग
Mhm.
बोलते हैं तो लोगों को क्रॉस चेक करना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो शॉर्ट फिल्म कॉर्नर में अपना फिल्म भेज देते हैं पैसा देकर, और घूम फिर के आ जाते हैं. तो ज्यादातर.
Mhm.
लेकिन मैंने आपका जब पोस्ट देखा तो मैंने सोचा अच्छा. फिर मैंने देखा उन सर्टेन रिगार्ड सेक्शन विच इज
Mhm.
वन ऑफ द, अपार्ट फ्रॉम द कंपटीशन सेक्शन, वन ऑफ द
Yeah,
मोस्ट प्रेस्टिजियस. आई थिंक इज द
section. Yeah.
फर्स्ट और सेकंड फिल्म ऑफ द डायरेक्टर उस सेक्शन में दिखाई जाती है. तो
Yeah.
बस इतना ही मुझे बोलना था. अब ओवर टू यू. मैं एक सहेली की तरह बहुत उत्सुक हूँ जानने के लिए आपका एक्सपीरियंस, आपके फिल्म के बारे में, आपके रोल के बारे में, और सारा कुछ कांस के बारे में बताइए. ओवर टू यू.
So, I remember when my producer and my director shared this news with me that, our film has been selected in uncertain regard section in Cannes and it's in competition section and we premiered in Cannes. So, frankly, I only heard the word premiered in Cannes. Rest everything ऐसा लग रहा था zone out हो रहा है. So I also took my time to grasp the fact that our film is going to Cannes. And then I just I gravitized myself, and then it was more like, oh, Cannes is happening because Kabir, आप जब आप वर्ल्ड सिनेमा देखते हो और जब आप फिल्म फेस्टिवल में सिनेमा देखते हो, आपको कैंस का लोगो देखते हो. एंड जब वो लोगो आता है किसी भी फिल्म के पहले ना, everybody starts clapping, because that logo means a lot. And whenever I used to see that logo in my mind, यार, किसी दिन मेरे फिल्म में भी ये लोगो होगा. One day even my film will start with this logo and people will clap for it, and it just happened. You think something and the universe works for it and it makes sure that it happens, and it just happened. And I feel so grateful, I feel so humble, because to represent my film on such a prestigious platform in front of the global audience, it's a big thing, it's a huge achievement. So I was really very ecstatic, I was excited, and if one word, if I have to define, I was happy as an actor. I was really very happy. And
मेक्का ऑफ सिनेमा है तो. और अगर आपकी फिल्म वहां पे एक बहुत ही प्रेस्टिजियस सेक्शन जो उन सर्टेन रिगार्ड सेक्शन में थी, तो या इट शुड बी एनी फिल्म मेकर और एनी एक्टर्स ड्रीम, आई वुड से.
it was, and it was a dream come true, and I was very excited. And yeah, what I will come to the experience later. First, I'll tell you about my part about the film and everything. So
प्लीज
yeah, the
प्लीज.
the simple factor is that I auditioned for the part. Konstantin, the director, my director Konstantin Bojanov, he loved my audition, and that's how I got the role. That's the simple way I got. And my part is, it has a lot of shades of gray in it. As an actor, जब भी मैं कोई role ढूंढने की कोशिश करती हूँ, whenever I seek for a role, I always seek for something that is not me, but is a little different from me. तभी उस रोल को करने में मजा आता है, उसको उसका और कैरेक्टराइजेशन करने में मजा आता है. एंड दिस वाज वन ऑफ दोस रोल व्हिच वाज not me. It was little different from me. Not little, but it was actually very different from me. Like this character has shades of gray in her, and she's more concerned about her day to day business. उसके day to day business का खर्चा हो जाना चाहिए, and उसके लिए वो कुछ भी कर सकती है. And she does not care about anybody's emotion. She's like, मुझे पैसा चाहिए तो चाहिए. And of course, Constantine has defined every character beautifully, and he is a very approachable director. He is very open to suggestions. और अगर आपको सीन में कुछ इम्प्रोवाइजेशन करना है अपनी तरफ से और वो सीन को चेंज कर सकता है, he is always welcome for that. He has always welcomed that on set when we were shooting for it. And I loved playing, my character is absolutely an antagonist, and I loved playing that part.
What is the role? Like, what is the role?
So my role, if I have to define, is that she's playing a part of a mother, and she's playing mom of Omara, and things are happening according to the way she wants. But then a character
is it a brothel and you are part of the
yeah, it's a brothel. Story is all set up in brothel. I'm a part of that organization.
You are the leader.
Myself,
you are the kind of a leader there.
I'm not a leader or anything. I'm a part of that brothel. Okay. But I am also into prostitution, so I'm a part of it. But I have my own hold and say, So
senior,
it's like no one.
Senior,
yeah. So that seniority is there. But what happens then? This character enters named Renuka, done by Anasuya, and she's trying to disrupt my day-to-day life. And that is one thing which I'm not able to take. So what happens when she's disrupting my day-to-day life? His tarike se I'm dealing with that, and she's dealing with it. And of course, there's a beautiful love story that is blooming within. And then how that is annoying me, and what all the kerfuffle, what chaos is happening, the film is all about that. And so I play that part. And I also accepted that part because, it had a graph in itself. She was just not a typical mother who is just there. But she has her own graph. When you watch the film, you see me that I have my own presence per se.
It's not a caricature.
No, not at all. I made sure that it does not turn out to be a caricature. So because I did not want.
जब ट्रेलर मैंने पहली बार देखा था तो मुझे लगा था कि जैसे कि इंडिया के ऊपर फिल्में बनती है ना, like सलाम बॉम्बे टाइप्स, मतलब not that, but a version, junior version of that or something.
Yeah.
But I'm sure the story might have been told this kind of story, but the making. And of course, the love story angle and the performances and the making must have been excellent to, get a standing at Cannes.
Get a standing in Cannes, absolutely. It's not that you're going to see something new. I'm not going to say that, that it's a history that we are making. No, but the making,
in a new way,
the making, the way it has been dealt with in a new way. So many concepts have been dealt with in this cinema, so many social concept has been dealt with in a new way, and it's not in a typical way. So that's the reason, it got a standing ovation. The audience are not fool enough just to stand and clap for it. So that is the reason, they stood up and they were clapping for it, and everybody loved the film. And coming back to Cannes experience, it was an amazing experience. But
so
it was beautiful.
How does it all happen? Like, it's very organized, right? Whatever we see I follow the live stream. It all seems very organized, right?
Yeah, it's pretty organized. They're very punctual about time. Like, you have to, for the photo call, you have to be on time. And for the premiere, you have to be on time. The film will start on time. Of course, that happens on every film festival. And when they have, it's a very time-bounded thing. So the photo call happens, and then the premiere happens, and then you depart and you go to your own thing. Then in the evening there is again the red carpet that happens. So again there is a time bound kind of a thing. At this time you have to be there, and then you walk the red carpet and all that photographs.
ये स्क्रीनिंग कहाँ पे होती है? जो मेन जो कंपटीशन चल रहा होता है, एक वहाँ पे चल रहा होता है, और ये इसके लिए कौन सा थिएटर होता है?
ये डेबुसी थिएटर के वहां पे सारे अनसर्टन रिगार्ड्स के फिल्म प्रीमियर हुए थे। और एक और थिएटर है ल्यूमिनियर बोल के, जहाँ पे पाल्मे d'Or के सारे सिलेक्टेड फिल्म्स स्क्रीन हुए थे।
लुमियर और लुमिनियर?
Lumiere. It's a French name, so yeah. Let's be free and spell it the way we want
ना
it.
वही लुमियर ब्रदर्स ने शुरू किया था ना सिनेमा से. आई वाज जस्ट
Lumiere.
वंडरिंग.
So वहां पे आपका वहां पे सिलेक्ट हो, वहां पे गया था. So जो अनसर्टन रिगार्ड की फिल्म है, ऑल द अनसर्टन रिगार्ड फिल्म वाज स्क्रीन इन डेबुसी थिएटर ओनली
अच्छा, तो
एंड नो अदर थिएटर.
वहां भी ऐसा
सो
रहता है, लोग भीड़ लगा देते हैं और फोटोग्राफर्स रहते हैं,
हाँ,
सारा पूरा तामझाम रहता है.
पूरा पूरा भीड़ रहता है, बट इट इज वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. देयर आर ऑल वॉलंटियर्स हु आर स्टैंडिंग, हु आर चेकिंग योर टिकट्स. अगर आपने ऑनलाइन बुकिंग नहीं किया है तो उसकी लाइन अलग है. आपने बुकिंग किया है तो उसकी लाइन अलग है.
तो
बुकिंग के
मैं इतना एक्साइटेड हूँ इसलिए मैं आपको बीच में बार बार रोक दिया.
नहीं नहीं,
तो
प्लीज.
कास्ट और क्रू किस में आप लोग अलग सी गाड़ी में आते हैं? कौन सी गाड़ी में आते
हाँ, एकदम हमारे से अलग से बड़ी वाली लंबी सी गाड़ी आई
हैं?
थी. एंड लाइक
लिमोजिन.
वाओ, सो दैट डे,
अच्छा.
yeah, that was our day. It's like it was one of those days that you are very important. You are the subject, and you should be treated like a queen
नहीं,
because your film is produced.
एक आर्टिस्ट के लिए है ना, ये जो वहां पे जो वो मिलता है, क्या बोलते हैं उसको, ये चीज बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट है.
नहीं, एब्सोल्युटली. एक आर्टिस्ट को वहां पे जिस तरीके का रिस्पेक्ट मिलता है, या जैसा ट्रीटमेंट मिलता है, या द वे यू आर, ये द काइंड ऑफ कंसर्न दैट शो टुवर्ड्स द आर्टिस्ट, एवरीथिंग, इट इज इनएक्सप्लिकेबल. द इट्स इटसेल्फ इज लाइक, इट्स लाइक यू मीन वर्ल्ड टू देम. आपकी फिल्म कैंस में प्रीमियर हो रही है, दैट्स इट, फुल स्टॉप, नथिंग एल्स, नो डिस्कशन.
इन अ
You
गुड सेक्शन,
become,
इन अ गुड
yeah,
सेक्शन,
in a good section. Exactly. So in a good section, and when it happens in a good section, then I've seen that, it's a different feeling altogether. Because as you say, बहुत सारी फिल्म्स वहां पे स्क्रीन होती है, लेकिन जब वहां पे फिल्म प्रीमियर होती है, उसका उसका फील ही बहुत अलग होता है.
तो कैसा
The feel
रिस्पॉन्स रहा
itself is
आप
very,
लोगों का? कैसा रहा रिस्पॉन्स?
बहुत ही बढ़िया रिस्पॉन्स था, बहुत ही बढ़िया रिस्पॉन्स था. The film got over, people stood up, they were giving standing ovation, the audience. The best part was that, the most best part, and I feel as an actor, that is my achievement as an actor, like when people are searching for you and they want to congratulate for you for your part that you have played. And people were searching, and and they came towards me. And because see, कभी मैं रियल लाइफ में जैसे दिखती हूँ ना, मैं रियल लाइफ में बहुत अलग दिखती हूँ. So I become the character. So because I become the character, my gait is also very different. It's not Oroshika anymore. It's the Durva, the name of my character. I become Durva. So people take, वो एक सेकंड का पॉज भी लेते हैं ये जानने के लिए, ये ही वो थी क्या? Is she the one? And then they come to me and they're like, oh my god, you played that part. This is so amazing. And then the reviews about me was fantastic. All the foreign critics, they gave very good reviews about the film, about my character and the way I played. And I think as an actor, that's a big achievement for me when my part was reviewed well and was appreciated. And when people came to me, वो लोग आए और मुझे इतना सारा प्यार दिया और मुझे बोला कि आपने इतना बढ़िया उस किरदार को निभाया है, तो एज एन एक्टर मेरे लिए बहुत बड़ा अचीवमेंट
नहीं, I know you are an excellent actor, so
है.
not surprised. It was just coming, kind of recognition and
Yeah. Some,
accolades.
as an actor, you always look for recognition, and when you get a recognition on such a big platform like this, I think it's a huge achievement. It's amazing.
Yeah, and your film's actor got the best actress. That was also the first time in history, I think.
First time. Yeah. So that was also a very big achievement. I'm very happy for Anasuya, and I'm very happy for Anasuya, and I'm very happy for the entire team, because this achievement is for the entire team, the
Yes,
entire
क्योंकि
cast and
एक्टर
crew.
अकेला तो कुछ नहीं कर सकता, सब सारे लोगों का सपोर्ट के
Absolutely.
साथ.
And that's how she has been saying it. It's any award, any individual is always a teamwork, because without the team, this film would have been nothing without the team,
Yeah.
because every single member of the team made sure that this film is completed and it happens. So, this achievement is for the entire cast and crew.
हाँ, और अवार्ड से फिल्म को और भी वो मिल गया, प्रोमिनेंस है ना, ये
एग्जैक्टली
ज्यादा
अवार्ड से
चर्चे में
फिल्म
आ
को
गया।
एक वन नॉच आप एग्जैक्टली अगर फिल्म इस लेवल पे था वो एक वन नॉच और ऊपर जाके खड़ा हो गया बिकॉज नॉट ओनली इट मेड एन हिस्ट्री बट द एंटायर फिल्म मेड एन हिस्ट्री बिकॉज ऑफ द अवार्ड सो आई थिंक
Yes.
इट्स एन ह्यूज अचीवमेंट.
Yeah. And did it take long to make the film? I read somewhere director was planning it since a very long time. He was writing it since.
He was planning for a very long period of time to make this film, but then unfortunately, COVID also happened in between. So then the film had to stop. But then we were there. The film was completed in 2 months. We were there in Nepal for 2 months. It was a start to end finish kind of a shoot. तो 2 महीने हम लोग नेपाल में थे एंड 2 महीने में फिल्म खत्म हो गई. उससे पहले ही कॉन्स्टेंटिन ने सोचा फिल्म बनाएंगे लेकिन वो हो नहीं पाया बिकॉज बहुत सारी चीजें आ गई फिर बीच में कोविड आ गया एंड देन उसके वजह से थोड़ा रुक गई फिल्म और बट देन ही डेफिनेटली वांटेड टू मेक दिस फिल्म.
So he always had this target of Cannes in mind for this film, or it just happened?
ही वाज लाइक अगर फिल्म प्रीमियर होगी तो कैंस में ही प्रीमियर होनी चाहिए. कैंस वाज ऑलवेज द फर्स्ट थॉट इन हिज माइंड.
He has
सो
written the
ही
screenplay as well. The
या
screenplay is okay. Okay.
Yeah. The screenplay, it's a joint venture actually. He's also written the screenplay, and there are 2, 3 other people who are
Right.
involved into it.
Correct.
The story and the thought is his, but the
Any Indian
screenplay
in
is
the
a joint.
screenplay? Any Indian in the screenplay department, or it's just the foreigners?
It's there is an Indian foreigner, but she's based in outside internationally.
Okay.
I think she's based in US.
Film is mostly set in Nepal.
Yeah, the film was shot in Nepal. It's an Indian story, but it was shot in Nepal.
So how is it representing India?
Yeah, absolutely. Why not? I thought I'm representing my country. I'm also representing my institute, FTI, and I'm representing myself definitely. Last but not the least.
FTI ने
Why
तो बहुत
not?
छक्के मारे. FTI ने तो इस साल फ्रांस में बहुत छक्के मारे. तो हमारा SRFTI भी थोड़ा छोटा भाई है, वो भी मतलब एक फिल्म स्कूल को, जो इंडिया के जो 2 बड़े फिल्म स्कूल हैं, जो मतलब आज तक सिर्फ टेक्नीशियंस बॉलीवुड में काम, जिनको एक्टर्स और डायरेक्टर्स ज्यादा इस साल कांस में प्रोमिनेंस में आए. नाउ वी अंडरस्टैंड व्हाई द importance of these film schools at an international level.
Yeah, it is.
Priya
I mean,
has also
I'm
spoken a lot about FTI in her interview.
absolutely. It means a lot, when you the training from a film school means a lot. Like, I mean, I am so glad that I did my training from FTI and I learned the process because that's what my aim was, to learn it, just not to go and not knowing anything. Because as an actor, I feel that you need to know your basics as an actor. You need to know. It's not only about acting, it's also about finding the correct light, know the angle of the camera, know your dialogues and everything. Because you don't shoot every time, you don't shoot in your comfort level. Sometimes कुछ कुछ ऐसे शूटिंग पे आप जाते हो जहाँ पे आप बहुत ही अनकंफर्टेबल होते हो, लेकिन आपको परफेक्ट टेक देना पड़ेगा. और वो आपके अंदर, मुझे ऐसा लगता है, वो कॉन्फिडेंट आता है जब कोई ट्रेनिंग होती है आपके साथ, बिकॉज यू नो योर गेम, यू नो इट, हाउ डू यू वांट टू डू इट. So for me, definitely, I can say for myself, to me, training is very important, and FTI training really groomed me as an actor. And to represent, of course, that's what I said, to represent my country, to represent India on such a big platform, and to represent my institute was a big thing. I'm so happy and I'm so glad that I could do that. As an actor, I could do that.
I can see the map of India also in your room. On a lighter
Yeah.
note. No, but generally FTI and SRFTI, we are like criticized because we concentrate more on world cinema, and we are tend to lean sometimes towards the European model. So we are criticized on that front, but इसके वजह से ही आज एटलीस्ट प्रिया को भी
But at
कांस
least
में जो
cinema is
अवार्ड.
cinema, I think we are the people we are the reason who are bifurcating all these things. I think cinema is cinema. As
हाँ, सब
simple as
कुछ
that.
जानना
Full
चाहिए,
stop.
सब कुछ
सब
जानना
कुछ
चाहिए,
जानना चाहिए
वर्ल्ड
आपको.
सिनेमा भी
ये
जानना
बोलना कि
चाहिए.
नहीं, मुझे ये नहीं पता या इसके बारे में नहीं पता. No, you have to know it,
हाँ,
right? If
मतलब
you are,
बॉलीवुड में वर्ल्ड सिनेमा जानने की जरूरत नहीं है, बहुत सारे लोगों का ऐसा
नहीं, ऐसा नहीं
धारणा है,
है.
बहुत
बहुत
सारे
से
लोगों को
बॉलीवुड
ऐसा
में जो
मानना
काम
है.
करते हैं, वो वर्ल्ड सिनेमा को देख के समझ के ही तो बॉलीवुड में काम
आजकल
करते
तो
हैं,
बहुत
एज
ओपन
सिंपल
हो
एज
गए
दैट।
हैं। आजकल
हाँ,
तो सब
आजकल तो बहुत
एक्सेसिबल
ओपन
हो
हो गया है। ये हमने ही ये बाइफरकेशन कर दिया है अब कि एक बॉलीवुड सिनेमा होगा, एक वर्ल्ड सिनेमा होगा, बट ऐसा नहीं है। अ सिनेमा इज अ सिनेमा, इट्स अ पार्ट ऑफ द इंडस्ट्री। इट इज वी हु हैव sidelined it by saying an independent cinema because they only deal with world cinema. No, they don't. अगर ऐसा होता तो हम लोग इतने क्लास अपार्ट एक्टर्स नहीं रिप्रेजेंट कर पाते। नहीं, हमारे बॉलीवुड में कितने बढ़िया बढ़िया एक्टर्स हैं who are still doing so well, and they come from world cinema. They have learned the world cinema. But the advantage about world cinema is that then you can balance yourself very well. You can do even independent film, you can even do commercial film. You know, that is the great thing. And क्या होता है ना, जितना वर्ल्ड सिनेमा देखते हो उतना आपका विजन ओपन होता है, उतना आप सीखते हो, उसके बारे में जानते हो, क्योंकि आपको सीखना भी तो पड़ेगा ना। नहीं तो आप तो फिर एक ही प्रोसेस फॉलो करते रहोगे। यू विल ओनली थिंक दैट दिस इज द वे, लाइक वन पर्सन कैन शो एन एक्सप्रेशन इन वन वे, but the other person will show the same expression in a different way, right? But to
गया।
know that difference, you have to read, you have to know about world cinema.
तो Oroshika, you have expressed yourself very well, and
Thank you.
I'm so happy to know share your happiness little bit. कुछ छूट गया है तो बताइए, कुछ मैंने कुछ सवाल नहीं पूछ, बिकॉज मैं बिल्कुल भी
नहीं
तरह से
नहीं, आपने
प्रिपेयर
सारे
करके
सवाल
फिल्म
पूछिए।
देख के फिल्म के बारे में पढ़ के आई जस्ट वांटेड अ वेरी कैंडिड चैट एंड
I also, I think I spoke my heart to you. Right now, at this time and at this era, it is very necessary for every person, especially in the industry, to speak your heart. To know, to say that, not right and wrong, but to say that, this can also happen. This it is not that it you if you don't restrict yourself with what is shown, कि वही चीज है। people constantly took a chance. See, आपको चांस लेना पड़ेगा लाइफ में, आपको रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा for you to know that actors like us exist, or a film like The Shameless exist. Shameless, क्योंकि my director, my producer took a chance on me, that's why I was a part of the film.
कितने
So the
साल कब
industry,
पास आउट, व्हेन डिड यू पास आउट?
2007.
So it's
2007.
almost 20 years now.
Almost.
But I really like the fact that you are such a positive person and you're always smiling. And apart from this film, as an aside, I want to just share with you. During COVID, आप रोज एक पोस्ट डालते थे और
हाँ
फेसबुक पे बहुत पॉजिटिव
हाँ जी। हाँ,
पोस्ट। उससे बहुत मुझे तो बहुत फायदा हुआ था और अच्छा लगता था वो पोस्ट, पॉजिटिव
हाँ।
पोस्ट। सो
नहीं,
रियली
मुझे
हैट्स
बहुत
ऑफ टू
लोगों ने
यू
बोला है।
फॉर दैट,
See, I am a
साइंटिफिकली
positive
स्पीकिंग।
person. I I am not a person, because see, there is lot of tension that goes in your mind the because of the field that I'm in, right? But apart from that, I feel that if I don't bring a smile on my face, if I don't live my life, because life is not fair, it will always give me some kind of struggle, and I have to fight it out. It is what it is, as simple as that, and I have accepted it. And that's why I see everything in a very positive way कि सब अच्छा होगा। I mean, you just smile, मतलब जब कभी मेरे साथ ऐसा हो चुका है कि जब कुछ भी नहीं होता, I'm like, अरे यार, you know what, सब छोड़, just smile, relax, take a pause, everything will be fine, everything will be all right, this is not going to be the end. So that's why I'm a very positive person. You have asked me this question. There are many other people who ask me the same question. How come you're so positive? It is because I have developed myself like that. I don't let any negativity. अगर आता भी है ना, I just take it out. I like, भूल जाओ, कोई अच्छी फिल्म देखो, या बाहर दौड़ने, I'm pretty much a workout kind of a person. Swimming करने चले जाओ या दौड़ने चले जाओ, dance कर लो, have a nice time. But at the end, just make sure when you sleep, you have a smile on your face.
Wonderful, wonderful. Last thing, best thing which happened to you at Cannes, like best moment or best something Cannes related, the place related.
It was first time. The place is beautiful. I loved Cannes. I was there for a week, and every day the experience used to be different. So I just can't define one best thing that happened in Cannes. I think my film went to Cannes, itself was the best thing that happened. And of course, and every day, you know, I met so many new people, so many globally, I met so many filmmakers,
Maybe
so
more
many actors.
international ventures for you, maybe.
Exactly. Finger crossed. I met so many of them, so many international people, Indian international people, the international people, all the filmmakers, their thought process, they're working on the different projects. So yeah, it was a great experience in total. So that's why every day, जब भी मैं हर दिन, you know, whenever I used to go out, I used to come out with some kind of new experience.
Did
Every
you
day
s-
was a very,
did
that
you see
1 week.
any film in the main competition section? Could you
I
manage
did
to
not,
see?
I did not, very frank, I did not get a chance, though I booked all the tickets. But क्या था ना, एक हफ्ते में there were lot that many online tickets में I booked it. But एक हफ्ते में ना there were lot many things that were happening every day. So you know, कभी because there was a producer there was calling, and then we had to go attend and some other party, and there was this premiere happening before the premiere something, and then after the premiere there was my Indian producers, you know, TPHQ, they had organized something and we were meeting with people, so I met so many. That's how I was spending my day, and of course there were photo shoots that were happening. So yeah, so every day was like something or the other, so every day the experience was beautiful in Cannes.
There was a very good graph, like your character.
Yeah, my character, I'm waiting for it to be released in India, so that
When is it going to release?
let's see. I'm sure my producer are trying their level best to make it happen, but now the film will of course travel in festival first, whether it's international or Indian film festival. And yeah, finger crossed, hopefully all of you will watch the film soon.
Yes. Looking forward.
Me too.
Thank you so much for your time and
Thank you.
for your lovely smile and for your lovely performances. Keep up the good work and keep on
Thank you.
making India and the film schools proud.
Absolutely.
So thanks a lot for doing this and taking out time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, Kabir. I had a lovely chat with you. Thank you so much for finally making it happen, and this was possible. It was great talking to you and chatting with you. And of course, all the viewers, if you like this, please subscribe it, like it, comment it, and subscribe Satsang Cinema. Thank you.